Stickers in Telegram is same for all of the devices. There are only a few steps to create your own stickers pack. Let's get started. Open Telegram app and search for the official stickers bot. On Nuke, once you get the bot, just tap on the start button. First tap on New Pack. It'll ask you to choose a name for your pack. Give a good name. After that, send a PNG file of 512 x 512 pixel. Please attach the image as a file, not as a photo. Now, you need to select an emoji to attach with your sticker. You can add as much as stickers with different images. Once you're done, simply send the publish command. Now, choose a short and unique username for your pack. You'll get the sticker pack URL to share with your friends. If you love Telegram, then like, comment and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing Telegram videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.